Hello friends, this is a 2007 Saturn Ion. Okay, today we're gonna be replacing the intermediate steering shaft. Okay, it's a shaft that's is the link between the steering column and the rack and pinion. Okay, the front wheels are in a straight position. Okay, so I'm taking a look down here. You see the shaft right here. There is the lower U-joint, and you can see that right there is the bolt. So I sprayed it a little bit with WD-40, and I'm gonna go ahead now, take that bolt out and just slide this part up, slide it up, and then do the same thing from the inside. Now, before doing that, just make sure you tighten your steering wheel so that it doesn't move, okay? And it's gonna stay on the straight position. So when you put the new part, you don't have any issues, okay? All right, now what I'm gonna use a pretty long 3/8 extension with my 13mm swivel socket. See, it's a 13mm, and then my ratchet. I'm also gonna use some kind of a pipe, to put in my ratchet to break it loose, okay? So let's see how this goes. So you just can kind of reach it in there. There it is. I'm gonna go ahead and break it loose. Okay, I'm gonna use my pry bar. All right. All right, so now down here, we have to take out this 13mm right here. You see it? Right there, that's gotta come out. And then this is part of the shaft that we are replacing. Then once we take this bolt out, we gotta remove this cover, this plastic rubber thing here, pop it out, and then pull the whole shaft out, okay? I have a long wrench here, so I'm gonna manage to put it on and break it loose, okay? Okay. All right. All right, friends, so I already took it apart, okay? This part right here, which was the one inside the car, wasn't that hard to come out. Like this one took a lot. We had to beat it out. This one I just tapped it lightly with the hammer, and it just came right out. Okay. So as you can see, the problem is, let me show you the new one. See. So this is gonna move like this, in this way, and in this way. See. It's gonna have that play. And this one, okay, it moves this way, but this way is, see? It's stiff. And then it's stiff, and then all of a sudden it gets like really soft. See, so it's definitely not good. Okay? So this was the problem. Okay, the new part came with brand new bolts. See, they come with thread lock already installed. So let's go ahead and just All right, friends. Now we got everything together. The shaft is hooked up here to the steering column, down there to the rack and pinion. We just need to put the tire back on, and that's it. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to hit that subscribe button and give us some likes. And let's see you next time. All right.